Timegate Plus is your one-stop workforce management solution for cleaning companies, delivering the core functionality of rostering, time and attendance, compliance, and staff engagement. Through Timegate Plus, you can easily roster cleaners for both recurring schedules and ad hoc jobs. Creating a shift is simple, and you can easily edit the shift as required. For any last-minute client requests or ad hoc jobs, it's just as easy to create a once-off shift. Once the shift is confirmed, you can also set it as an ongoing, automatically published roster to ensure you meet your contract needs. Timegate Plus also helps you find the best cleaner suited for the shift, based on their qualifications, inductions, and hours already worked, so you are always maintaining compliance while rostering. Timegate Plus makes it easy to maintain compliance for the jobs required. Qualifications and licenses for both cleaners and the site requirements are stored in the system. Timegate Plus can help ensure cleaners are qualified and trained to work at their rostered sites. Management and employees can also get notified if any qualification expiry dates are coming up. Then, it's simple to update qualifications to keep your company compliant and up to date. Based on the restrictions set, Timegate Plus will prevent cleaners from being over-rostered for shifts. Additionally, with the basic award interpretation functionality, Timegate Plus can correctly calculate pay for your cleaners. Time and attendance is easy to record and track in Timegate Plus. Cleaners can clock in through a variety of methods, including the mobile app with GPS, facial recognition hardware, or by phone call in remote areas. This information is accessible to management through the desktop map view. Management can have a live view of where cleaners are on site and what time they clocked in. If someone does not show up for their shift, Timegate Plus will immediately notify their supervisor. Supervisors can confirm cleaners are in the right place at the right time based on geo-fencing that's been set up. Timegate Plus also enables your company to better connect with your team on the ground. Through the employee portal, cleaners can check rosters, apply for time off, and submit requests and tasks for their managers. Additionally, management can use the portal to share news and announcements with all staff, including remote workers. Spend some time with one of our specialists to learn more about team software.